Welcome you all to this complete Java tutorial series. In this tutorial series, I will explain Java from the absolute beginning. Java is a programming language. So a programming language is a vocabulary and grammatical rules for instructing a computer or any other computing device to perform any specific tasks. Java is one of the best language for easy learning for newbie developers. Java is an very advanced language. So if you follow this tutorial series, you can become an expert in Java. First, we need to install Java into our machine. So let's go to the step. First, you need to go to the Google and search Java like this, and then go to the Oracle site. There are several operating systems available. I'm using Windows, so I'm selecting this Windows installer. In here you will need to log in to download. If you don't have an account, you can go to create account and you can create a new account. I already have an account, so I can log in. After successfully signed in, it will automatically start downloading. This is the downloaded file. You can simply double click it and install it easily. Then go to the command prompt and type Java. Now Java is installed in our system, but we have one more step to do, which is setting environment variables. So go to the path where Java is installed, copy the bin folders path, then go to the system properties and environment variables. Now go inside the path and save the newly copied path and press OK, and then go to the command prompt and type Java. At that point we have successfully completed the installation process of the Java, and see you in the next tutorial. If you like these types of videos, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much.